Hi guys, I'm Tao.
And I'm Kathleen.
And we're sophomores.
And today we'll be making macaroni and cheese in a mug. It's delicious and easy to make for snack, lunch, or dinner.
Some ingredients you'll need are half a cup of macaroni, half a cup of water, a quarter cup of cheese, salt and pepper to taste, and 3 tablespoons of milk.
Okay, so first you will need a mug that has 1/2 cup of macaroni and half a cup of water. And then you will need a sprinkle of salt and microwave it for 3 minutes. Okay, so now that our macaroni and cheese is done, add a sprinkle of salt and pepper and 1/4 cup of cheese. And 3 tablespoons of milk.
1, 2, and 3.
Okay, now you're gonna mix it all up. And then finally, pop it in the microwave for 30 more seconds.
Stir and enjoy!
Hi guys, I'm Brian.
I'm Ihan.
And today we're going to be teaching you how to make a parfait.
What's a parfait, Brian?
Glad you asked. Well, a parfait is just layers of yogurt and fruits topped off with granola. And first we're going to need our yogurt.
You can use any type of yogurt you like for this.
But for now, we're going to be using coconut milk yogurt alternative. So now I'm just going to open this. And we're done.
So for the fruits, we're going to be using banana, blueberries, and raspberries. And make sure you wash your fruits before you put them in.
Let's go.
Okay, now I'm going to wash the fruits. So now I'm going to peel the banana. And for this, we're just going to use half a banana. Now I'm going to cut the banana.
Now, add up the cut up fruits. Now I'm going to add up the cut up bananas and the raspberries and blueberries.
Okay, now I'm going to add more yogurt.
Now, adding the fruits in different layers makes it so that all the fruits are not all in the top, and that it's evenly spread out throughout the yogurt, and it's just delicious overall.
Okay, now I'm going to put in the honey.
And we're done. Now, we're going to try the final result. That's so good. Now, always remember to clean up after you're done.
Thank you guys for listening.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, my name is Sanya and I'm part of a really fun club called Cooking Branch. So what we do in this club is basically find easy recipes for you guys to make that are both delicious and fun. So today we're going to be making 90-second pancake mug cake, which is basically 1 minute and 30 seconds. So we will only need some pancake batter, a bowl of water, and a spoon of Nutella, and some sugar if you like your cake really sweet to make this cake. So then you want to mix the water in the batter little by little until you see the nice battery look, and then you add the Nutella and sugar in the batter and mix it well until the batter had changed the color into chocolatey. Then take your cup, put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and after it's done, take it out. You will know when your cake is ready when you gently press the top of the cake with the spoon and it springs back. Also, make sure to not overcook it because then it will be dry and gross and you wouldn't want to eat that. Also, you can eat this cake with more chocolate or any type of ice cream you want and share it with your friends and family. I hope you had a fun time making this pancake mug cake and I hope to see you next time. Bye!
Hi everyone, my name is Alexandra and I'm part of the Multi-Ed Club at Oakton High School, and today I'm going to be teaching you a fun and easy recipe. Let's go. So to start off, I recommend working in a kitchen, on a counter or on a table, just somewhere near a water source because you will need water for this. And definitely wash your hands and make sure your surface is clean. That's very important right now, especially with everything going around. Wash your hands, definitely. And if you have long hair like me, I recommend pulling it back so it's not in your face. Now we're gonna need to get our ingredients. For the cinnamon roll, you're going to need flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, sugar, water, and olive oil. For the frosting, you just need powdered sugar and water. The first step is going to be to take your paper towel. I'm going to fold mine into a square because it's just easier to use, but you can do it however you want. And you're going to take some olive oil and you're going to put a little bit on the paper towel, just a dab or two, not a lot. And then you are going to rub it on the inside of your mug and make sure to really get it in there because this is going to make sure that your cinnamon roll does not stick to your mug. Alright, so our next step is going to be to put in 9 tablespoons of flour in our mug. After you've put your 9 tablespoons of flour in your mug, you're going to take 1 teaspoon of baking powder and put it in. The last step is to take a pinch of salt and put it in your mug. You're going to add 3.5 tablespoons of water and you're going to stir it all together. So this is what your dough should look like after you've added your water and mixed it all together. For the next step, we're going to take our cinnamon and we are going to put some in our mixture. You can add as much cinnamon as you like. I'm going to add a little bit more cinnamon because I love cinnamon. After you've added your cinnamon, you are going to add some sugar. And again, just put it right on top of your dough in your mug. So as you can see, I've added my sugar and cinnamon to my mug. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take these sides and flip it over just like that. Flip it over. Ooh, it's a little difficult to do with one hand. But you're gonna flip it over. So you really want to focus on covering the cinnamon and the sugar. And I'm placing it in the microwave and I'm going to cook it for about 40 seconds. You can cook it for anywhere between 40 and 50 seconds. So you're going to start with the powdered sugar and you're going to add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar into your bowl. After you've added the powdered sugar to the bowl, you're going to put in 1/8 of a teaspoon of water to your powdered sugar, and then you're going to mix it together. If you need to put in more water, definitely do so. All right, now I've gotten my cooked cinnamon roll out of the microwave, but be careful because your cup may be hot, so definitely wait for it to cool down. And I got my icing that I mixed together and I'm just going to take some of it and sprinkle it on top of my cinnamon roll and add as much frosting as you like, or you can even top it with some fresh fruit or some more cinnamon. Okay, after you have put your icing on your cinnamon roll, you are free to eat it. Be careful, it may be a little bit hot since it just came out of the microwave, but enjoy.
We're so excited to start. So the tools you'll be needing are a microwavable mug, half a tablespoon of 1 tablespoon measurement, brown sugar, flour, and cocoa powder. You'll also be needing either a fork or a spatula to mix with, canola oil / vegetable oil, and then you can use water or milk, but we're going to be using water. Lastly, you're going to need vanilla extract, salt, and of course, our favorite, chocolate chips! Put 3 tablespoons of flour into the mug. 1, 2, now we're going to scoop 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Make sure it's tightly packed. 1, 2, and 3. Lastly, for our dry ingredients, we're going to add a hint of salt. Now that we have our dry ingredients in, let's give it a quick stir and make sure to stir from the bottom up too. Awesome! Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. Measure out 3 tablespoons of oil.
1, 2, and 3.
We're going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you're going to mix to make sure the wet and dry ingredients are fully mixed. Straight from the bottom too. The texture should look like this. Now for the best part, adding the chocolate chips. For adding this much, you can add as much as you want,
But don't go overboard.
5 seconds if your brownie still looks like it's uncooked. You can put it in the microwave again for 10 minutes.
Ours isn't ready yet, so we're gonna do that. Let it cool 1 to 5 minutes so it's not too hot.